today. There is no real big, well, there's no homework today. There's just a lesson for the final assessment. Final assessment is going to ask you just to graph a handful of equations, such as y equals like 3x squared, and also at the same time y equals x squared, and put them on the same graph. The goal of that is just to see if you can compare the differences between the two. So for y equals x squared, you're going to need to have your chart, so your x values and your y values. -2, yeah. 0, 1, 2. Same values, you can use the same values over here for your x, y chart. -2, -1, 0, 1, 2. And then get our values. -2 squared is 4. -1 squared is 1. 0, 0, 1, 4. And over here we'll have 12. Because -2 squared is 4. 4 times 3 is 12. -1 squared is 1 times 3. That'll still be 0. And then we'll have the same values here. So we need to go over 2 in each direction. And we need to go up 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. You have to actually go up 12 because of that number right there. All right, let's graph x squared first. -2 is our x value, so we'll go over -2, and then we'll go up 4. Over -1, up 1, 0, 0, 1, 1, 2, 4. So we're going to be looking like that. Okay. Then let's graph our other one. I'll do it in green for you. -2 now is 12, so we're way up here. -1 is at 3, so also much higher. 1's at 3 and 2's at 12. That's 0, 0. So you should see that that one goes up quite a bit faster. So the assessment is going to give you a few pairs of graphs, the parent function, and a shift that has happened to it. You're going to graph both of them on the same coordinate plane, and then take a picture of it to upload. So that's the third level assessment. Okay? Go ahead, and when you're ready for that, open the assessment. It is actually attached. It does not require a meeting. So go ahead and jump on that. And I'll see you in class.